and welcome back to my channel. In this new tutorial, I'm going to teach you guys how to make a balloon Christmas tree. Enough said, and let's get into the tutorial. Woo! To make balloon Christmas tree, we need 24 pieces 5-inch round balloon, 1 water balloon weight, 1 260 used balloon, and the last one we need 4-inch star-shaped foil balloon. So step number 1, grab 4 pieces 5-inch round balloon and we pump about 6 pump. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then we grab this. Pump 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then we make a duplet. Okay, we make a duplet. Okay, next pump 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Make a duplet, and then we make a quad. Okay. Next step, we grab another one. This time we pump 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Make a duplet. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Make a duplet. And then we make a quad. Put here. Next step, we grab another 4. This time we pump 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Make a duplet. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Make a duplet. Make a quad. Grab another 4 pieces. This time we pump 3 times. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Make a duplet. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Make a duplet. And then make a quad. Next, grab another 4 pieces of 5-inch round balloon, and then this time we pump 2 pump. 1, 2. 1, 2. Make a duplet. 1, 2. 1, 2. Make a duplet. Then make a quad. The last 4 pieces we pump 1 time. 1. 1. Make a duplet. 1. 1. Make a duplet. And then make a quad. So we should have 6 sets of quad. This is 6 pump, 5 pump, 4 pump, 3 pump, 2 pump, and 1 pump. Alright, the next step is we grab the water balloon weight with the used 260 balloon, and then we tie it here, tie it together like so. Okay, then we grab this 4-inch star-shaped foil balloon, then we pump it. After that, we're going to tie at the end here. Alright, like so. Okay, stand a bit, and we're gonna roll it. This, then we tie it like this. Another one. Alright, so we should have something like this. Alright, the next step is we're going to grab this 6 palm cord here, and then we're going to put this balloon water weight here like this under, and then it's like this, and then we're going to stack it. Alright, so we're going to grab this 5 palm cord, gonna stack it here, okay, like this, followed by the 4 palm cord, the 3 palm cord, the 2 palm cord, and the last one is the 1 palm cord. I'm gonna stack it here, and then we're going to let this rest like that. So it's going to be something like this. Alright guys, so our balloon Christmas tree have completed. That's all for today, guys. If you like this balloon tutorial, please do comment at the comment box down below and give it a thumbs like. If this is the first time you come to my channel, please do subscribe and hit at the notification bell just so you do not miss anything from me in the near future. This is not goodbye, and see you in the next video. Bye!